In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly generate a Jira API token, which is essential for secure integrations and automations. First, log into your Jira account and click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Manage Account to open your Atlassian account settings. From the left-hand menu, choose Security, and then click Create and Manage API Tokens. On this page, hit the Create Token button, give your token a clear name like Integration Access, and click Create. Copy the token immediately because it will only be shown once, and store it safely in a password manager or secure document. You'll now use this token in place of your password whenever making API requests with your email, which keeps your account secure while enabling powerful integrations. And that's it. You've successfully created your Jira API token and can start using it right away.